first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be
Hello guys, welcome to yet another video, and thank you for stopping by and deciding to watch this video. May God bless you for stopping by. To the new members, my name is Monica, a mom of two and also a working mom and a Kenyan YouTuber. And in this channel, we do a lot of motherhood, we do homemaking, we do a little bit of lifestyle, we do grocery haul, and a lot of motivations. If this is the kind of content you love watching or you enjoy watching, just feel free to visit my channel and watch my videos. And today, we are going to spend this day with you. I want to do a lot of things, so I decided to take you through and to give you some motivation. We are starting by arranging everything back to its place. I do wash utensils at night, so I'm returning everything to its place so that I can start making breakfast. Hope you're going to stick around until the end of this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are my favorite for just coming back on each of my videos to come and watch my videos. I love you so much, and may God bless you for just coming back to watch my videos. And also to all those who share my video, like my video, comment to my video, you are a blessing. I love you so much, and may God expand your boundaries, and may you never lack.
It's gonna be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
And for the breakfast, you're going to have some toasted bread and some cocoa tea. Yeah, that is what you're going to have for breakfast.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run. And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep, you should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. It's all too late. It's all too.
And my breakfast was ready, and I'm going now to serve the family, and you're going to enjoy the breakfast. And it was so yummy. I added an orange, yeah, and some tea. That is what we were having. So after having the breakfast, this is the situation of my living room. I want to arrange it and fold some clothes that are there. And also I remove this curtain, and because I want to take them back to the fundi. They are getting dirty a lot, so I want to take them back to the fundi so that they can be well mated. And yeah, that is what I'm going to do. So let us fold these clothes and clean the living room.
I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about us. Yeah, but believe me, I tried. I don't know why I couldn't make this work. But believe me, I tried. Now it's all too late. Now it's all too late. All too late. All too late. Oh. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head. I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground. Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing. I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes.
Now let us clean this carpet, and I'm going to use some powder soap and some Downy to clean the carpet. The Downy is just for the nice smell, and the powder soap is for removing some stains. And remember, you're not using the water, we are using the foam that is formed using the detergent.
Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be
for the curtain, I had already removed them. Yeah, but I removed them off camera and I had already took them to the tailor. I will pick them either in the evening or tomorrow in the morning. So that is the reason there is no some curtains.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run. And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep, you should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run!
And I was through, and that is how my living room turned out. Yeah, it is better and well arranged. Now I'm going to tackle my son's room, and this is how it was. I'm going first to change the curtains, and I put this blue curtain that I had two curtains, so one is in my bedroom and this one I'm going to put it here. So, and the other one I'm going to clean it. So after that we'll make the bed and clean the floor.
That you should know, I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want.
And I was through with arranging and cleaning my son's room, and that is how it turned out. I love it that way. So this was much later in the evening, and I wanted to bake a cake, and I'm going to use some grapes. This is a fruit cake. I wanted to try it. I like trying new things, and the things that I think can work, I like trying them. So I'm going to try this cake and see the turnout. So let us make this cake, and hope you're going to get some motivation to try it and see how the turnout will come out. So I'm using, the ingredient is milk, I'm using baking powder, I'm using egg, flour, cooking oil, and sugar, and the grapes. So that is all that I'm using. So let us bake this cake. And for the measurement, check my description box. You're going to get the measurement, how I measured every ingredient.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run. You just gotta run. I could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all. My ego's still providing, I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep, you should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! And when it's all said and done, run! You know you gotta, you know you gotta, you know you gotta run! Run! You know you gotta run!
I'm going to rub the grapes with some flour. Yeah, I'm going first to dry off all the water, and then rub them with some flour, a little bit of flour. Yeah, then I will put them in my mixture.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little.
After adding the grapes, you have to mix the mixture slowly so that you can't crush the grapes.
They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run.
And after 45 minutes, my cake was ready, and I really loved the turnout. It was so good, so yummy, and the turnout was awesome. We really enjoyed this cake. So I loved how it turned out. The fruits were so good in this cake. So we enjoyed this cake, and we really loved how it was tasting. So yeah, I hope you have some motivation to make your cake or try this cake. Yeah, because if you try something, you're gonna make it. So if you have stuck to this end, may God bless you for sticking up to this end and for watching this video. May God bless you for just staying up to the end. I don't take that for granted. I say thank you, be blessed, and may God open more doors for you. So yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, subscribe to this channel, let me grow, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be updated, and I do upload new videos on Monday and Friday, so be sure to check on those days, and I will get a new video on my channel. So until we meet in my next video, it's a bye bye for now. Bye guys.